Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare magic hair oil for rapid hair growth. Let's get started. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into a bowl. Coconut oil acts as a carrier. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with the coconut oil. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids that promotes hair growth and thickness. Now add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil can improve the overall health of your hair. It also adds shine and softness. Add 3 to 4 drops of any essential oil of your choice. Mix well and massage all over your hair, starting from the roots to the tips. For best results, use warm oil to improve blood circulation. Keep your head inverted upside down for 4 minutes to increase blood flow to the hair follicles. Use hair scalp massager to exfoliate the scalp and increase the blood flow. Take head bath after 30 minutes to 1 hour. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.